it's December 27th, 2 days after Christmas, and I just installed the new software update for my Model 3, and wow, this one might be the best yet. There were rumors that Elon was going to do this because a lot of people were tweeting him with ideas, but this car and any Model 3 that was made after I think July or August of 2019 has a speaker underneath the front fender, and that's for that when you're backing up it makes a sound. A lot of people have described it as a UFO sound, and I think it does kind of sound like that, but people are wondering, could you use that speaker for other sounds, other noises, music? Well, the answer is yes. So this latest software update gives you a dozen different sounds, songs to play. You can actually change it so that when you hit your horn it plays a sound, or as you're driving, while you're driving around the neighborhood, freeway, whatever, you can play music and sounds. There's funny ones like fart sounds. There's you can make it sound like an ice cream truck, which is pretty funny if you were to drive around the neighborhood. So it's pretty incredible. I think a lot of people's wishes came true for Christmas this year. So I'm going to get in and I'm going to play you all the new sounds so that you can hear them.